Jay from the Redneck Garage. What a beautiful day. A couple days before Christmas. Thought I'd give you a video just to catch you up on what the heck has been going on here at the Redneck Garage. I've been super busy, so that's why I haven't had any videos. My wife Jennifer decided that she wasn't going to rent from anyone anymore. We rented half of a building. I had to remodel to create a new space for her. She's in there somewhere. I don't know if you can see her or not. That thing's really reflective. But anyway, J. Willard Hair Loft. I can't really take any credit for like the decorating, but it's like the waiting room. There's Kelly.
I'm coming to get my delicious homemade fudge.
Homemade fudge? That's like make you fat fudge.
I can't eat it.
You can't?
No, I can't even taste it. I've heard it tastes really good.
Okay, great.
And these went over real well. Your lovely wife brought those in.
Oh, she didn't have any here for me.
No, she baked for us.
Huh.
Oh, yes.
She didn't bake anything.
Oh.
Just a little FYI. So I had to put in that crazy chandelier. And she decorated. There's a camera. So you got to have a camera system, so if somebody's coming up here cooking meth in the middle of the night, you know, you never know. You walk back through here. There's Kelly. She's cooking meth.
I cook crack. What are you talking about?
Oh, yes! Look at this hot girl.
Welcome to my world.
So that's the hallway. This is like very important video, so stop. But this is her shop. Hey, baby. It turned out real nice. Looks great. Ho, ho, ho. That's the TV. It's actually on YouTube TV. That works pretty well. What are you doing? You ready to go drinking?
I'm cleaning up from my busy day.
Okay. So this place was really a crap hole, to tell you the truth. This was like orange walls. But this is like their dispensary where they keep their color for doing their hair. And then the bathroom was just nasty. So I redid the bathroom. There's a Christmas tree in here. Jesus. Holy moly. And then in here, then over here, I had to put in another chandelier, and this is the shampoo room. This one probably took me the longest time because I had to run all the plumbing and the water and put all these stupid Chinese chairs together. But overall, this whole place turned out really nice, and she loves it. And there's another shop in there that she leases out, and then there's another one right there. So there's 4 spaces and then hers. So I actually do quite well with that. So I've done work here at this building for years, and that is Marty Robbins and his son Ronnie, and Ronnie owns the building, and I've been friends with him for a long time. So that's a kind of a cool backstory that he runs Marty Robbins Enterprises out of here, but he is a great guy. So that took like a couple months. In between that, we went to New York for about 3 days on a trip. I was completely exhausted. I was falling asleep while we were watching Wicked. That's cool. So here we are right out of Fox News, the only real news station. Sweet! This is the scene they always show on the TVs, looking down the street, looking at the building. It's pretty cool today though, it's not hot at all. What do you think?
It's perfect.
Perfect! Hershey store. They give you a little candy bar when you walk in. It's pretty cool. In the belly of the beast. The belly of the beast, that's where we're at! Yeah! Go Predators! These are seats. Let me show you how sick they are. I got a lot of stuff coming up on the Redneck Garage. I've got some reviews on some new Milwaukee tools. 12-volt soldering iron, that's going to be kind of wild. I haven't tried it yet. We're going to do a review on that. I've got a dashboard cam, a bunch of other stuff that I've got stuff that I need to do reviews on. We're going to start working on the Toyota pickup truck, replacing the bed sides. Soft top on the Jeep someday, if I can ever get to that. Everything has just been so freaking crazy around here. Me trying to run the locksmith business, remodel her shop, finish up a bunch of stuff around the house, new van. It's just been insane. Not having any time for myself, so I've got a lot of stuff that I want to get accomplished, get some videos done, and get back to normal. That's kind of where I'm at. But I wanted to do a quick video today just to say, you know what, Merry Christmas. That this season, the Christmas tree is not an Xmas tree, it's about Christ. And that's what we're trying to drive home with our family and our kids, is that, you know, we're so grateful for Jesus and what he's done in our lives and his sacrifice, because otherwise I'd be going straight to you know where. So quick video today, just a kind of a recap. Thanks for all the messages. Am I still alive? Yes, I am. Get back to giving Jerry some hard times over at BS Corner, and we've got some more videos coming up. A lot of reviews that I've got halfway done. I'm going to try to finish those up. But Merry Christmas. I hope you have a blessed holiday time, and we'll catch up with you soon. I'm David from the Redneck Garage. Keep turning wrenches.